What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Big P, TCG, back at it again. Another video. As you can tell, we got 1, 2, 3 piles of cards here. Bang, we are opening up the Battle Styles booster. I mixed all these up and divvied them out to my children's. We got Zander over here. Say what's up.
What's up?
And we got my daughter, Kayc. Say hey.
Hey.
And we each got 6 packs to equal up to half of the booster box. And we're going to see what we can pull. Hopefully some fire. Y'all ready?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's do it. Everybody's going to grab their 1 pack. And you don't have to open it on the screen. I'll open mine on the screen. But y'all just show your hits. I'll open mine on the screen though. Oh crap, try not to show the code, but I did anyway, didn't I? And dark, we already know. Fan of Waves, reverse, and a Minchao. Stop, bud. Just give me your codes. We're giving codes out all day on this channel. Every video. There's my code.
Here's this code.
There's this code. 3 codes. Bam. Let's get the trash over here. All right, let's see their hits. Let's see what they got.
Dolce, Romances, Marmalade, K-Bone, Lanyard, Houndour.
Hope everybody's having a wonderful day.
And Earned Vitality.
We have, let me have the cards. We have a reverse Earn a Vitality and a Victory Bell. And what'd you get, sweetheart? Ooh, where's your other card? We have a reverse Grumpig and a Corviknight V. That's right. My daughter Kayc got a hit. She's winning the pack battle.
Yes.
There's her Corviknight sleeved up.
Time
Give me the bulk.
I can't wait to open its one.
Alright, next pack, everybody. I got the Empoleon.
I forgot.
I'm going to try not to show the color of the code to you guys for my pack. There's that code. This 4 to the front. And we're going to guess fire! Leaf. 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 Tool Jammer, Crobat, Lickitung, I like the Buzz, Espa, Timber, Slowpoke, Reverse Camping Gear, and a Licky Licky. A Licky Licky. Oh, let me give these codes out to you guys. There's another beautiful code. Another amazing, beautiful code. And my daughter didn't get a hit this time, but she got a reverse Slazzle Primate. And then my son got a reverse Sandaconda.
There you go.
And a Jellicent Rare.
Next pack now.
Get the bulk out of here. We're just going to throw those back there.
I love opening.
And let's put that bulk there. Go with the next. So far, my daughter Kayc is winning with the Corviknight V.
Yep.
Let's see if me or my son, Zander, can pull some heat.
Nope.
Code for you guys.
Nope.
Let's go with Lightning.
Trying to not
Dark.
show this beautiful code.
Hold on. Right there. Everybody, there's the code for my daughters.
Daughters?
And there's the code for my sons. All right, let's go to NDD. What? I just got 2 NDDs in a row. That's I've never had a double in a pack before, I don't think. Unless it's like a reverse holo and a holo.
Yeah, that's all you've gotten. Dark. Sidekick. Mishap.
Tepig. Reverse Lurantis. Ooh, a holo Tapu Bulu.
Yep, I'm still winning. I'm still winning. Tepig. Fine now.
She got a reverse experience share. A Marowak.
A holo Crobat and a... I don't even know.
Angel Slash is that its name. Reverse Golbat and Angel Slash.
Alright.
For my son.
Next pack magic.
Sorry if the camera keeps shaking. We're bumping tables and doing crazy stuff over here.
My bad, everybody.
Let's go. Next pack. This is 3 packs left. Where's the heat in this box at?
I don't know. Kayc's still winning.
There's a beautiful code.
What's your code? Oh.
And here we are with Leaf. Another amazing code.
Trying to not show the code.
Fan of Waves, Dottler, Doublade, Bellsprout, Bronzor, Amarowar, Horsey, Cherubi, Reverse Colossal. That's a rare, I believe. Yeah. And a Jellicent. And this is the code for my daughter's pack. There you are.
Hollow Sandaconda. And a Reverse Hollow Morpeko.
Reverse Hollow Morpeko, Hollow Sandaconda. And my daughter, let's see what she pulled. She always pulls the heat. Always pulls the heat. That's the wrong card, sweetheart. This one. We got the Spearow Reverse Slazzle Rare. Next pack.
If we don't get any Charizards, can we open another?
Charizards don't come in this one, sweetie.
Are you for real? See.
And there's another code for you guys. 2 packs remain. See if one of us can pull that fire.
I'm the only one that pulls most.
Golbat, Recycler, Silly Cobra, Condor, put that back there. Lickitung, Horsey, a Mankey, Reverse, Murkrow, and a Lurantis, non-holographic.
There's my beautiful code.
Code. Bang. And let's see what they pull.
Try and guess. What is my hit? What is it?
Oh, come on, we're just going through this.
Oh, it's lightning. I didn't guess.
Lightning. They're about to hand me what they pulled in just a second. Just a second. Let's see. This is my son's pull. He got a reversed Phalanx. And bang! Rapid Strike Urshifu V. Not horribly. He got a hit. He got a V. He's on the board. What do you hear you going? He reverse Cheryl. Where's your rare, sweetheart?
Well, I already gave you one.
No, this is the rare. Vivillon. Vivillon.
This is my card.
And last pack. Magic for all of us.
For all of us. So we can get the rainbow.
Oh, I showed my code because I'm not cool. Stop, buddy. Dang. You know I got a green. Screw it. I'm just going through it. Reverse Victory Bell and a Bolton. No hits for me, so it's between you guys. Who wins the pack battle?
Or we can get a tie. Yeah.
There's a tie, then we got to do rock, paper, scissors.
Yes. Alright, here's my...
There's a code for my daughters.
And here's
code for my sons.
Last pack magic.
Last pack magic. Let's get it.
Let's get some pulls.
Let's get it.
Let's get the Pikachu. Let's get that.
There is no Pikachu in this set.
What the?
What'd you get, sweetie? Let's see.
Alright. Fire, Crobat.
I need your reverse hollow and your rare. Oh, I thought you already opened. You haven't went through your cards yet.
Manfu. Ooh.
Ooh is right. Uh-oh. We got, for my daughter, reverse Galarian Mr. Rhyme and a Hondo Houndoom.
I know you got a hit.
Not bad at all.
I need that.
Let me have this first. We got a reverse Minfu. And he pulled a Corina's Focus. I almost said Cortana. Freaking Halo going on over there. Corina's Focus. Last pack magic. My son won the pack battle.
Dang it.
He had the Urshifu and Corina's Focus. My daughter got Corviknight V. Me got this right here. Absolutely dog poop. Didn't get nothing. All right, everybody. That's the opening today from Big P TCG. Y'all take it easy. Peace out. A-Town down.